She said I destroyed her AC unit. I was replacing an air conditioning system for one of my regular clients. Everything was going fine until I made one small mistake. On the other side of the wall, the neighbor had this old unit, rusted out, hadn't worked in years. As I was installing the new system, a part of the old one shifted a little and barely got touched. The neighbor comes running out, screaming like I had totaled it. I checked the unit. No real damage at all. I even had photos and video proof of the whole process. I calmly explained there was nothing to worry about, but she said she had already called the cops. By the time they showed up, I had everything documented, and I knew I hadn't done anything wrong.